Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm driving and I got my mask on, so you guys know I'm doing active deliveries right now. But anyways, today I thought I'd do a bit of dashing because my bank account was at zero and Amazon Prime charged it and it went negative. I don't even know why Amazon has the power to do that. Yeah, I got charged for my membership. I forgot about having an active membership on Amazon, so I decided to do a bit of Doordash before I get charged for having negative money in my account. So yeah, I'm doing a bit of Doordash. Got my first order right now. I'm headed to the restaurant. It's Golden Dragon. It kind of feels weird to be talking with a mask on because I feel like I'm not emoting at all. Like my eyebrows are pretty expressive most of the time, but yeah. Anyways, so I'm heading on over to the restaurant. It's a small little order. We got 5 miles for $7.50. It's not amazing, but I've already declined 3 orders, which were like $5 for 6 miles, and then one was for 8 miles for $7. Why did I say that backward? But yeah, so I'm headed to my first restaurant. We're gonna go about 5 miles. Hopefully we get a little bit better orders after this one, but I'm getting more than a mile, $1, and I have a potential to make a tip. Plus I'm gonna earn miles traveled pay and all that good stuff, so it's gonna be more like $10 for this first delivery, and hopefully we get a tip as well. So we got about a mile to go for our first order. I'm on the map right now, and then we gotta go about 3 to 4 miles for the actual delivery. So I'll update you guys once I actually complete the order, and we'll see how much we get for that one. All right guys, we got our small little order, 2 items, and we're heading on over to the customer's house. I know I told you guys I'd inform you once I actually reach there, but I thought I'd show you guys this as well. But heading on over to the customer's house now. Order number 1 in the books. That wasn't terrible. Got a total of $7.25, so wasn't that bad at all. Didn't get an extra tip or anything like that, but we did get a couple of miles in from miles traveled pay, so that should add up. But not bad. So I'm gonna continue on and keep you guys updated on today's journey. All right guys, we are on order number 2. This one's for 9 miles, $10.50. I gotta say, today's orders are pretty terrible. I'm getting like $1 per mile order, and I've already declined 5, and this is my second delivery. So hey, there's no peak pay. People are paying very little in tips, and the only thing I'm getting here is mile traveled pay and just base pay. So today is not looking super bright, but I'm just trying to squeeze out $25 today, so it's completely fine. I'm just going to try to get the best ones I can. This one, as I said, $10.50 for 9 miles. So let's go ahead and pop this out. Good thing about it is it's not super busy. Traffic isn't crazy right now, and these are like freeway miles, so I could go like 80 on the freeway and get these deliveries done. So I'll keep you guys updated when I get the order. All right people, order number 2 in the books. We got it in hand and we are going to the customer's house right now. All right guys, order number 2 is done. We got $10 for the delivery, and the lady actually gave me an additional $2 tip with cash, so that was super cool of her. It's getting dark, so I'm gonna call it quits. That was a total of $18. I'll add it up, take screenshots, and put it on the screen for you guys. But hope you guys found this informative or enjoyed. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. I'm all gassed because I was running. But hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.